a country where conservatism still rules, purchasing or having contraceptives can still be met with sideways glances and internalized judgment. Our experiment delves into this very reality. Do people in the Philippines still carry a stigma when they see someone buying or having contraceptives? This simple act, which should be a normal part of responsible adult life, is too often surrounded by prejudice rooted in cultural and religious beliefs.
Hi everyone! We are third-year psychology students of Batangas State University Arasof Nasugbu campus. And today, we're doing a social experiment that dives into a topic often shrouded in awkwardness and judgment: sexual health and public perception. We're talking about prejudice and societal stigma surrounding contraceptives. Will people judge us? Will cashiers and other shoppers react differently when a young person, especially a woman, walks up to the counter to purchase contraceptives? For this experiment, we're going to different stores and pharmacies in various areas to buy condoms publicly and openly. And we're going to secretly record the reactions of the people around us. We want to know, is the stigma real? And how does it impact our ability to practice safe and responsible sexual health? Stick around to find out the truth.
Wala na po. Ano pong brandang meron? Durex siya. Durex, meron kang Durex. Yan po. Kamu nagbayad? Oo.
Thank you po.
Magkano ba? Tang mo to sa akin.
Oo. Normal po ba nangyayari? Kuya, thank you. Kayo. May trust po kayo?
Ay,
Alam niyo siya lang. Kondom. Sa limalaan. Sa limalaan. Sa... Ilan ba? Ilan?
ano size? 31 times.
Isa lang. Kamu ba yun?
Magkano pa?
30. Oh, wait, nakakita na. Ito, kaya ka na po eh.
Hindi masok.
Ano po yung first step niyo po? Ano po yung unang naisip niyo kapag may bumibili?
Naginto po ba ba?
Siyempre, lang. Dahil kasi napakabata pa, kailangan pag-aaral mo na di bali kung yung nasa edad na. Okay lang. Pero kung yung mga bata pa, nakakalusulit po na. Oo, kagaya.
Hindi mo gagawin experiment na po yung school pala.
Oo, pag-aaral mo lang unahin. Madali na yung pag-aasawa.
Common po ba dito yung pagbili po ng condom? Na bata pa po?
Hindi, bihira lang. Puro, birong-bira. Parang isang beses lang na may bumili na, oo. Pero, hindi naman natin alam, malay mo, papili lang ng mga tatay nila. Kalimitan, yun talagang nasa hustong edad.
Hindi niyo po parang pinagbabawalan kunwari po mas bata.
Hindi, tinatanong lang kung gusto, sinong niya. May pabili lang po ito. Okay, hindi namin alam kung tunay nga. Minsan naman niya, tunay.
Thank you po.
In our couple setup, we added a small twist. We staged an accidental drop. As they were walking, the male actor unintentionally dropped the condom packaging in front of a small crowd. We then later approached those who witnessed the accident to get their immediate and unfiltered thoughts.
Para bang nagde-date talaga sila. Yan. Yan. So, yan. Saan mo kay mama? Ayun. Ano po, ang tanong lang po namin ay, ano po yung thoughts nyo nung may nakita po kayong ganon?
Natawa lang.
Wala naman po kayong like any negative judgment. Wala naman. Yung kasama niyo po kaya, kasi dinig ko, sinabi niyo po, kinento. Tumawa lang din po sila.
Kaya pwedeng i-din like sa
Natawa lang. Wala namang masama din eh. Like, alam lang siguro nila yung safe sex talaga.
Ano mo kanina, ano ang first thought mo?
Ano, siyempre, sa lalaki yun. Parang awkward, weird, or something. Hindi mo inaasahan sila natutulit. Being serious, tapos nung...
Sila sabi ko sa inyo talaga.
Ako po yung situation eh. Napangiti po sa left hand. Kita mo yun.
Concept nung contraceptives, meron ka bang like first thought, negative judgment?
Wala naman.
Wala. I realized that their smile isn't a direct reflection of what they're thinking. Sa culture kagaya ng Pilipinas, yung pag-smile nila is a way para mag-express ng amusement. Dahil sa experiment na to, I just realized na kahit I'm one of the experimenters, may prejudice ako towards myself. Like, nahihiya akong i-execute mismo yung experiment or ako mismo yung bibili ng contraceptives. Kasi ang thinking ko, baka kung ano ang isipin sa akin ng mga tao. So, by that pa lang, nalaman ko na agad na may prejudice pala talaga when it comes to buying contraceptives, lalo na sa mga Pilipinos. So, after doing the experiment, I noticed the differences of their judgment based on their age. So, the younger ones tend to be more open about contraceptives, saying that it's better to practice safe sex than to deal with unwanted pregnancies. While yung mga medyo older naman, sila yung may medyo negative judgment, maybe because of their upbringing and siguro dahil nga old-fashioned sila kasi dati naman diba, hindi naman ganun ka-open yung mga tao. For me, na naging memorable sa amin nung nag-social experiment kami is yung matanda. Dahil napansin ko kung gaano sila nalulungkot o nakikinaya kapag may kabataan bumibili sa kanila ng contraceptives. Dahil ang nasa isip nila is maaga pa para sa kanila ang pili ng ganung bagay. Kaya agad sila nagkakaroon ng panghisga. Dahil nakasanayan din nilang kaya ito rin na mali ang pagbili ng ganon kapag lalo na kapag kabataan ang bumibili.
I think yung pinaka-memorable sa akin is yung mother and daughter tandem. Kasi halata talaga na iniiwan sa amin ng nanay yung anak niya. Kahit na parang nasa right age na naman yung anak niya para malaman yung topic namin. And I think what really holds us back is yung thinking ng parents natin. Kasi kahit sabihin natin na may sarili naman tayong pag-iisip, kailangan i-consider din natin yung parents natin. So kung conservative yung parents, parang yung thinking natin na-apektuhan din. And as a kabataan, feel ko mas lalo tayo nagiging vulnerable sa mga masasamang pangyayari, ganun, like unwanted pregnancy. Kasi hindi kino-consider ng parents natin yung paggamit ng contraceptive. So, na-apektuhan din pati tayo mga anak ko.
Our takeaway is simple. Stigma is a barrier to health. When we make it awkward or shameful to buy contraceptives, we're actively encouraging unsafe practices. This isn't just a matter of culture, it's a matter of public health. We hope this video encourages you to look past the counter and check your own judgment. Let's make it normal. Let's make it easy, and let's make it safe for everyone in the Philippines to practice responsible sexual health.